Hi everyone, I'm Michelle. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to look at Potomac's best bead box for the month of May. And I believe we got it a little bit early this month. I'm still waiting on the others, so let's open it up. And this is what it looks like when you open it. You got the name of the theme, Seaside Zen. A little paragraph with all the ingredients listed on the back. Then you have it's a small pattern now. It's a lot smaller. You notice that? It's a little tiny booklet with a pattern, yoga bracelet. Alright, and then if you get the Best Bead Box XL, you get 2 patterns. But this is, right here, in this baggie, is the ingredients to do the pattern. We'll go through those first. One yoga bracelet pattern, and okay, get this open. 2 grams Potomac crystal bicones, 4mm. They're gorgeous. It's like a sapphire. Yep, light sapphire AB. Just pretty. Alright. And then we have 1.5 grams wood rondelles. And that'd be these. Just a minute, I just had my scissors. Let me find my scissors. There's the wood beads, wood rondelles. They kind of look faceted. It just says wooden rondelles. .5 grams check glass faceted rounds, 3mm. Faceted rounds. Look like tiny fire polish, 3mm fire polish. And 3.5 grams check glass faceted rounds, 4mm. And tortoise. It's pretty, isn't it? Okay. No beads. And I love O beads in Crystal Labrador, full Labrador. They're so tiny. Look at, those are adorable. You know, beads always look so much bigger on screen because they're zoomed in so many times. Everything looks bigger on screen. And then we have 2 pewter charms. Starfish. These are so cute. Although they are only one-sided. Still cute. And this is a button. 1 pewter button. That's light. Look at that's pretty though. It's a cool design. Okay, and then 12 feet of dragon cord. It says this is a new cord they're getting in. By Tech T, or by Bead Tech. I don't know. I just read that backwards. I've been reading things backwards lately for some reason. But anyway, new Text 210.5 millimeter cord is a medium weight made from quality 3-ply nylon cord that can be used for kumihimo, macrame, bead crochet, and stringing. And it's even better, it's made in the USA. As a subscriber, you get to be the first to try this revolutionary product. Coming soon to PotomacBeads.com. Pretty cool. And there's a, looks like a nylon, like a Chinese knotting cord type cord. So we'll try that out. And then let's see the beads for our stash now. Okay, let's go. Let's look at the beads for the stash. So we've got 4.5 grams of piggy beads. And look, aren't those adorable? Those are almost like the Czech cup beads, but not quite. They're not as cuppy. And the holes are on one side. I never knew that about piggy beads. That's cool. You know, it'll probably be easier to use them that way. In like flowers or certain designs. So that's in jade. Really nice. Can't wait to try those out. And then we have, what's next? 4 grams of pewter round beads, 6 millimeter. Pewter 6 millimeter. I'm sure this is them. These are nice. They feel, you know, they've got a good weight to them. So that's 10 of those. And then it'll go nice with, you know, these other pewter button and charms. Okay, and then we have 4 Czech glass fossil shell beads. ammonites is what I'm used to them being called. And what color is that? Pale turquoise. Travertine, I think is what that, yeah, travertine. It makes a nice olivey green color with a brownish red wash. That's what they look like to me. Aren't they pretty? I like those. End up making something with just those by the time we're finished with, you know, certain subscription boxes. Okay. That's next. 12 grams. Check glass rondelles, 6x9 millimeter. Yeah, must be these. Crystal travertine. They kind of go with that tortoise color. In the 4 millimeter, but these are 6x9. These are those check rondelles that are beautifully made. They just really so smooth. The holes are so smooth, and I just love a good check rondelle. And that's like crystal with travertine. Very pretty. And like that there. I'm going to start putting it down here. Alright, now we have 3 grams Mayuki Delica beads, 11 O's. In black. I don't know if I want to take those out. Here's the black Delica, which will look good with those tortoise beads. And 4 grams chick glass Cali beads, 3x8 millimeter. See those? And the holes, 3 holes. And then usually, you know, you'll be looking at the side of whatever design you're using them. The side of the bead will show. And it's a nice wide, broad side bead. So those are cool. Next, 1 glass cabochon, 20 millimeter. It's a beauty. It's got seashells. Is that seashells or flowers? I know flowers in the background. That's pretty. Right there. Fuzzies. Okay. Now, 1 gram pewter daisy spacers. Tiny, tiny spacers. Two grams Potomac crystal drops, 3 by 5 millimeter, and metallic blue iris. They're the tiny ones. Tiny, tiny drops. Go nice with that cabochon. Four and a half grams Storm Duo beads. In an olive color, let's see, jet red luster, metallic. That sounded nothing like olive. Let's see. Look how pretty. Now that's gorgeous. Those would go perfect with those new olive, metallic olive seed beads I just bought a while back. That's a nice little bit of Storm Duos too. You could do something with those. Lovely. One gram Mayuki sharp triangles. Wow. These are so cool. I didn't know, I've never seen these. Let me cut this open. Boy, these are be so easy to lose. Be careful with these. They're tiny. And they're just little cut triangles. Let me raise one up on its side. Try to. See? Oops. Those are neat. Those go well with, I don't know, a lot of this stuff. Alright, and I missed something. I missed some let's see. Enjoy this gift as a special thank you for subscribing to the box. And it's some of the galvanized apricot seed beads that we got last month. Okay, so here we go. This is May's Potomac Best Bead Box. I'll leave a link in the description box below the video, a referral link, if you want to order the box. And I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you when I make designs of pieces from this box. Alright? Have a great day.